Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to continue working on two-step story problems. Starting today, they're going to have a little bit different information in them, and we're going to insert some subtraction. So as we read carefully, we want to make sure that we read it in a way that makes sense and that's accurate. And we're going to still underline those important keywords and key numbers. We're going to do the first two together, and then 3 and 4 you're going to try on your own and check your work. Alright, so please make sure you have a pen and pencil ready. If you don't, press pause and get what you need. Otherwise, go ahead and follow along with us right now. Number 1. At lunch, a waiter had 11 customers. I'm going to get my pen right now. 11 customers. I know that's going to be important. Five of them didn't leave a tip. If he got $6 each from the ones who did tip, how much money did he earn? He got $6. So it's saying he got $6 from each person who left a tip. Well, let's look up here. How many people did he have? He had 11 customers. 5 of them didn't. So that'd be 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5. If you said 6 in your head, you're correct. So he had 6 people who did leave him a tip. And he got $6 from each of them. So that'd be multiplication. 6 people times $6. 6 times 6 is 36. He made $36 from those tips. Get a different color here. Number 2. Adam earned $5 for each lawn he mowed. If he had 12 lawns to mow, but forgot to mow 9 of them, how much money did he actually earn? Whoa. Okay, well, he got $5. He had 12 lawns to mow, but, keyword but, he forgot to mow 9 of them. How much money did he actually earn? Well, before we can find that out, we have to know how many lawns did he really do. So he was supposed to do 12, but forgot 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Or you could have counted up 9 plus 3 is 12. So he only mowed 3 lawns. Wow, he could have made a lot more money. For those 3 lawns, it says up here he got $5. 3 times 5. So it looks like 3 times 5. He was able to make $15. Yikes. 12 times 5 up here is 60. If he would have done all of his work, he could have made $60. So notice here, subtraction, multiplication, subtraction, multiplication. It's not going to always go in that order. So read carefully. Go ahead and work on number 3 and 4, and please pause the video. Alright, let's go ahead and check over number 3 and number 4. Number 3, April's Discount Flowers was having a sale where each rose was $8. If April started with 15 roses and had 8 roses left, how much money did she earn? Well, before we can times anything by 8, we have to figure out how much money, how many roses really did she earn. I chose to count up this time. She sold 8. She started with 15, so this would be 7. So I know that she has sold 7 roses. Or you could have done 15 minus 8 equals 7. So now to find my money, I'm going to do multiplication because it says each rose was $8. 7 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to use break apart. And 2 times 8 equals 16. Put that together. At her rose sale, she made $56. Number 4. A worksheet had 4 problems on it. If a teacher had 13 worksheets to grade and had already graded 8 of them, how many more problems does she have to grade? Well, first I need to figure out how many worksheets or papers is there left. She already did 8, and there's 13 total. So 8 plus 5 will get me to 13. So she has 5 worksheets left. Each worksheet has 4 problems, so that's multiplication. 5 times 4 is 20. She has 20 problems left to do. Today, when you guys go back to your work, go ahead and go to the next slide. I kind of broke it up a little bit more for you, so please read it carefully and write down the equations that match. Good luck!